Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the US dollar, I still think is a very good chance that we have the end of an ABC correction right here. We have a nice solid push down. We do have a breaker structure, even though it's not really a strong breaker structure. Hopefully, this is a wave one, and then this is like an ABC right here that we're looking at now for setting up for wave two. Maybe go up to one of these fib levels, and then hopefully this afternoon we can push down for a wave three. So, taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I think there's a very good likelihood this is an A and then this is a wave B. And then we're likely going to end up pushing up for a wave C. So there's a very good likelihood that this, like I said, is a 1. This is an ABC of 2. And then hopefully down for a wave 3. If it all plays out, then possibly we could go long for the wave C and then exit at the end of the wave C and then hopefully go short for the continuation of what will likely end up being a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.